Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you quickly how to add outline in your text in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see here, I have text written outline, and you will see my text color is blue, but I have white and black outlines. So how to create these type of double outline in Adobe Photoshop? So let's start. I will remove the first one that I have created. Okay, I will remove this. Now I will click on the text and I will write outline. Okay, and I will make it little bigger, and you will see here I have no outline right now in my text. Now in this area, layers area, you will see outline, but in case if you are not getting this option layers tab here, how you will find? If you go to Windows option and come here in this area, and you will see layers, you have to click on layers and you will get this option. Now right click on that and you will see lots of options, but what you have to do is simply click on blending options. Now in blending options you will see some of the options, but what we will have to do is we will click on stroke. Okay, now as you can see this stroke is white color, so I will change color of this. I will click on black, and here you can change opacity, you can change the size of it, and you can change position. Right now I will click on outside. As you can see now it is outside. Okay, as you can see we have created our first single outline. Now how we will add another outline in same text? Again right click on that, again go to blending options. On blending options you will see here on the strike plus button. So if you click on plus, you will see here it will automatically create. It will take you to this page. Now here first of all change the color. You want white or black? I will click on white and then OK. Now after that you can see here it has created a little black line outside, but we will need more. So what we will do, we will change the position of this and we'll click on inside. Here is it. As you can see here we have now two outlines on our text. We can change size of it, and we can adjust position, and we can make multiply or normal. Just keep it on normal. You can simply just change the color and then hit OK. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mobo.